The balance sheet changes too. Longer supply chains mean more inventory in transit. Higher working capital, more debt or cash tied up. World map animation showing shipping route from China to Spain. Clock icons along route. Text overlay. Lead time, 2 weeks, gives 12 weeks. Educational graphics, clean, professional, quality control moves 10,000 kilometers away. Who ensures dolls meet Spanish safety standards? Who fixes problems before shipment? The human cost. Spanish factory workers face layoffs. Skilled jobs disappear. A community built around toys loses its purpose. The region's identity is toys. If production leaves, suppliers close. Cafes empty, schools lose families. The ripple effect is real. Make or break. Move or stay. Margin or community. This case has every business angle. At thecasesolutions.com, we break down complex operations and finance cases for students. Need help analyzing Baby Doll's China decision? Visit thecasesolutions.com today.